last video, I show you what you can find in my bags when I have photo shoot in restaurants, coffee shops and pub. But this time I show you the gear, what I take with me for that photo shoot, like softbox, diffuser, more things. Let's go. First things is tripod. I have this tripod, company newer. The model is N284L plus G0. I have this tripod last few years, like 5-6 years. It's amazing long tripod. Like you remove only the legs and you set up your tripod. It's easy. I know a lot of people don't like that things have and set up the tripod. Believe me, for me it's easy. I don't have any problem with that position. Put the tripod, like you see it's very high. The tripod is like 2 meters with the things here above me. And other things, if I set up this little down, I'll show you how to use the tripod better. You have here first things you can use easy this tripod, manage the top, different direction, everything. You can do horizontal, no horizontal, the shoot from this position the same. You set up easily. That is easy for me to work with this tripod. Another things, you can remove these legs, what you have in the middle, completely. No. Oh. And you have now, you can shoot this from hand. If you want to do like shoot from hand or something, easy use. Another things is amazing with this tripod. I set up that and I can do flat lay photography. We have here the things. We switch off this and we push us that position completely. We can really easy set up this and make flat lay photography here. Block this and you can really set up your camera to front here and make easy flat lay photography. That's the tripod is very important. The same, you can remove these legs, make smaller and make position the bottom if you want the photo little up, of course, because I make less these legs. That is amazing tripod for me, and believe me, tripod is very important in the shoot. Somebody say I don't need the tripod, I can work from shoot from hand. That is not necessary tripod for somebody, but many situations in restaurants show me without tripod I cannot make the photo. My job is not that smooth, not that quickly. That I recommend really this tripod. It's a little heavy if you must to travel, like you don't use the car but maybe underground, like here in London. It's a little heavy. Another, if you buy the tripod and you know you will be used long time this tripod, think about how heavy you want your tripod. Probably I will be change now something for more that's heavy, because it's 2.5 kilo. This tripod is weight, but I will be change maybe something for 1 kilo. It's better and little smaller, not that long, what I can put in my backpack when I go to shoot, and I can take only backpack with me and there is everything what I need. But I travel mostly with the car. For me is perfect. Another things what I take with me is my tea stand. Is tea stand because sometimes I must work with a restaurant and photography drinks. Tap on the back is not this what my clients want. My clients want something nice photo with the background or something. That's I use tea stand. I have with me a whiteboard where I can easily set up my vinyl background. This is another things what I use. A vinyl background is amazing for restaurant shoot. Why? Easy. Take with you, don't take so much space, easy to set up, and you straight away you can clean. If it splash the water or something, you can easily clean this background. Believe me, that's I recommend always take with you the tea stand and have that backup something when you must to set up your background or something, because restaurant don't looks nice or the clients don't want show the restaurant on the shoot. Another things is diffuser material. This is reflector, 5-in-1. Here is black, here is silver. Silver give you that reflection on the product on silver. The black is of course take more the shadows, make more darkness, but inside, because it's 5-in-1, you have here diffuser material, and opposite diffuser material is like this material, make the lights soft, but here inside you have white and gold. If you want more warm color on your shoot, you use this gold. If you want to make more bright something, you use this white material. That is the reflector 5-in-1. What I use, I take with me for the photo shoot. When you set up everything, don't take too much space, and it's perfect for many situations, save my life. This is the diffuser material. If like you use the this for make the lights soft. Mostly when I work with natural lights, you don't have control on the lights. It can be so strong lights coming from your windows for your dishes. When you that you use this diffuser material, you put front of the, here is the table, you photography, here is the windows in the back, you put front of the windows, what make the sun more soft, and you don't have that harsh lights. That is the diffuser material what I have with me. Don't take too much space, because when you close it's very small. Another things, I have laptop with me. Why? Because I like connection my camera to the Tether cable and to the laptop straight away. When I photography, I see how looks the shoot. Another things, you looks more professional. The clients see how you work, you look more professional. He straight away see the photos. If something is not good, if your composition don't looks good, or maybe one things was dirty on the plate and you didn't see this, you think it's okay, or you zoom and you didn't see it's not sharp the photo, straight away when you work with the Tether cable on your laptop, you can see that things, zoom your photos, check composition looks perfect, the photo is this what the clients want, and you can start to shoot another. But if you want to know more about this cable, check the link below. There is a special video about this cable. And last things, maybe not last, but the things what is the most important is softbox and artificial light. Like I use now mostly flashlights, what was in my bag small, but I set up this with one softbox. For this I use my stand, and the softbox I bought not so long ago, like 2 weeks ago, with company Triopio. This is not sponsoring. Any tools what I show today is not sponsoring. I want to show you what I take with me for photo shoot. What you don't must to take so many stuff. Sometimes it's too many stuff you take and what you don't need. But this is what you should have when you go to a restaurant. And this is the softbox. I really love this softbox. I really love like how I open. I push only one things here. One moment. And the softbox is done. Really is perfect. Like you see, I already have here one diffuser material inside, another here is on the table. I show you how you set up, and it's really easy so set up. Another things, you have that metal here in the box what can easily later connection here your flashlight, artificial light, or some different modificator the lights if you want, and that is perfect, believe me. Easy lemon squeezy. And another things, oh, I do upside down. Another things, don't take too much space, because when I travel, you can imagine you go to a restaurant and you must take all this stuff. You must to think about how heavy is your stuff, what you really need. The backpack, really I will be take backpack, diffuser material, tripod, and softbox. That's it. That's things what I need. Of course, I need the stand. I must take this. But that's if I know I don't have access for windows, restaurant. I didn't check how looks restaurant before I shoot or something. I will be take always with me the artificial light, like flashlights with the for the softbox. Another things is like this softbox is amazing. Don't take too much space. But you maybe have big softbox, you can take umbrella the same and use like softbox. It's don't take so much space and it's faster to set up and easy. Like I show you, like some that's type the umbrella costs few pounds, believe me, and you can easily set up with your lamp what you have. Flashlights and can work like this softbox. Okay, I set up my lamp on that things here. We inside can put as flashlights, and now I set up on this stand. And like you see, it's easy. Here I have extra one more diffuser material what I put here if I want to more make more soft lights than is that you can use this extra material. When you buy this softbox, you have that extra material including with in the package what you buy. That is the stuff what I will be take for photo shoot for restaurant, pub or coffee shops. If I have access for natural lights, I don't take the softbox. I don't need this. But if I don't have access, I take the softbox or that small umbrella what you can work and make so amazing soft lights for this what you need. If you are interested what is in my bags for photo shoot, check this video.